It is what it is. If you want to do better, where I go? All my cousins, all my children. I got to feed my kids. They'll call child support. Back to feed my kids. That morning wife, yeah, y'all. That man the devil. That's the man on the conflict bar. Yeah. Hey. You do what it is. That man cool there, y'all. You blessing there too.
Oh man. What the?
I told y'all. He love children. I love birds, baby. I feed my bird. Every day I give me a chair. Sit out there on my corner. All my baby people. All on front of my leg. All of it. I love my birds every day. I feed them every day. I call them out. I've been here 2.5 years. They come out Walgreens. They come over to Bowling Alley. They come from New Jerusalem Baptist Church. Hit that bird, man. Here come my bird. All my kids come down there, eat up all the birds.